9 bad animal parents that will make you love your own parents even more. Giraffe's females make wonderful mothers, but yeah, like your own, she is also strict and can show you stars when you get naughty. Once the period of 15 months in her pouch is over, the giraffe baby is dropped to the ground and, don't cringe, okay you can, and kicks him repeatedly until it starts walking. Some strict lesson to make one stand on his feet. Ouch. At least your mother doesn't kick you. Talking of super cute pandas, you may be a little shocked to know this fact that mama pandas are cold-hearted brutal creatures. Less dramatically though, they give birth to 2 babies but almost always raise just one. Now, never again complain to your mom you love Pinky more than me. You will instantly forgive the pandas when you read this though. The icy cold eagle moms would let their babies fight till the elder and of course the biggest and strongest of them would peg the other to death. That's because of the limited resources, but you must be glad now thinking thank God UN. These cute-looking cottony-haired primates do not have any primary caregiver, meaning there are no mamas and papas. They all chip in to care for all the babies in their community. Only, to keep that process going, the dominant female, usually the mom, suppresses pregnancy in the other females to ensure only one female is pregnant at a time. They don't just call them animals for nothing. This may not be true only of the skinks, a kind of lizard-looking reptile from island of Lanute, to eat her own babies, but she is surprising since she does make a nest and protect her eggs. But as soon as she feels threatened by a predator, she would gobble up all of them in an attempt to be stronger to escape and be able to reproduce in the future. Strange. The bird with a sweet voice but not so sweet herself after all, the mummy cuckoo would drop her eggs in other birds' nests with similar looking eggs only to escape raising them up. Now, you may think, was your sis telling the truth when she teased you about picking you up from the dustbin? Anybody who has ever read amazing facts about animals would definitely know seahorse males are the ones who lay eggs. Dad of the year, right? Wrong. They may take the pain of protecting and nurturing the eggs till they hatch out, but soon as they do, dads would just flee off never to return again. Nope, not even for birthday or Diwali. These tiny creatures are as ruthless. They sniff some chemical off their 50 to 60 babies and detect the healthier one to feed and care for only for them. The hungrier and weak are left off. Now, you would really believe your mum when she said she has no favorite. Pipefish males also carry eggs but would only breed the possibility of most attractive fry, baby fishes. The males have a peculiar arrangement to only breed with the most attractive embryos, here, from the bigger female, and provide more robustly only to those eggs. You dad's constant scolding to get a haircut doesn't seem so bad now, does it? Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.